Hey everyone, what if I told you that it was possible to earn $30 an hour while working from the comfort of your own home? And this could mean working from your bed or working from your couch and just anywhere in comfort. This is going to be possible through the use of having a typing job and through the use of transcribing videos. Now, what exactly is transcribing videos if you aren't familiar with that term? Well, when it comes to transcribing videos, this means that we are putting audio into words. So transcribing means you are basically writing down what you hear. And why do people need other people to transcribe things? Well, with movies and TV shows and even through YouTube, we see all the time that there's a thing called subtitles. And with YouTube videos, there is a thing called auto-generated subtitles, but these are never 100% accurate as there is no human actually typing these subtitles out. So that's where you can come in. There are so many different websites that will want to connect businesses to people like you in order to transcribe their videos. So of course with these jobs, the only thing you are going to need is a laptop and internet connection. So throughout this video, I'm going to be going through a bunch of different websites that people will actually hire you to transcribe their videos, and let's just get right into it. So the first website that I'm going to get into is a website called Revcom. Now when it comes to transcribing videos, Revcom is one of the more popular options. So let's talk about getting started on Revcom. When you first get into their website, you will see that there are 3 different categories that you can choose from. So the first option that they have is transcribing video into text. And then they will also offer caption writing services. And with both of these services, they will charge $1.50 per video minute that you are transcribing. But if we get into another category that is called global translated subtitles, they will charge anywhere from $5 to $12 for these services. So what we learn here is that it is better to go for the transcribing subtitles route as there is more money to be made here. So you can go on Rev.com and you can become a transcriptionist, and you can scroll down to the bottom of their website where you can find a button called Become a Freelancer. And once you click this button, you can send in an application to become a transcriptionist. And from what I've seen, you can earn anywhere from 30 cents to $1.10 per audio minute. So if we do the math, this means you can be earning anywhere from $18 an hour to $66 an hour, which is crazy, all through the use of just typing what you're hearing. So if this is something that you may be interested in, I would like to say if you were thinking about joining Rev.com that they are a bit slower in accepting new applications. So it can take about a month or 2 for them to get back to you and actually hire you this way. But once they accept you and you are in, you will have a ton of work to do. And I would also like to say that they strictly pay through PayPal, so make sure to set up an account on PayPal so you can actually get paid through Rev.com. So with that being said, with the use of Rev.com, you can easily be making $30 per hour just by making subtitles for different videos. The next website we are going to get into is a website called Scribby.com. So with Scribby.com, they will kind of throw you an assessment to make sure that you are actually capable of transcribing video to text. And then once you pass this test, you are simply just in. And what is good with this website is you don't have to necessarily transcribe very long videos. The audio segments are typically 6 minutes or less with Scribby, so you can really knock down these audios very quickly as they are very short videos, which is good if you have a shorter attention span such as me. And Scribby can pay up to 20 cents per audio minute. And what I mean per audio minute is for each minute that you are watching this video and transcribing the video. And then an interesting factor with Scribby is once you get to a higher level of being a transcriptionist and you get really good at doing this, you can actually step into a different role or job. And we can call this kind of just leveling up, and you can level up to being on their reviewers team. And when you are on their reviewers team, you can be earning about $30 per hour. And what you are doing here as a reviewer is you will be correcting the mistakes of the other transcriptionists through Scribby. Scribby. So you can just highlight and correct these mistakes simply, and this is your job as a reviewer. But in order to actually be able to get to the point of being a reviewer, you have to at least be better than 1% of the other transcriptionists. So simply, once you just put in the work as a transcriptionist, you will get promoted to this next level, and you will get to be earning more money through being a reviewer. And through Scribby, they also use the payment method of PayPal, so again, you can set that account up if you're interested in joining Scribby. Alright, now the next website we are going to talk about is a website called Speechpad.com. So Speechpad.com will also have 3 different categories that you can work under, and these categories include the transcribing section, and then they have where you can do different subtitles and different captions, and then they also have a translation category as well, and this includes a bunch of different languages that aren't English as well. So you can get on Speechpad.com and you can see that there is a tab where they say interested in becoming a transcriber, learn more about our team. So for more information there, I would suggest going on their website. And I also like how they say that you can work when you want, which can be very useful to some people or just preferred by most people. And there's also no upfront investment, so you don't have to invest any money through Speechpad.com. You can just simply join the team. And then when it comes to being paid through Speechpad.com, they guarantee that you will get paid on time, and this doesn't even mean weekly payments. They pay twice a week, and they do this through PayPal as well. And then you almost essentially get to become your own boss as you pick your own jobs, which is something that I would like personally, as I would like to know what I'm getting into and what different projects I get to pick. So let's talk about the money aspect of Speechpad.com. You can earn anywhere from around 20 cents to $2.50 per video minute, and this is through the work of being a transcriptionist. And at first that doesn't sound like a lot, but if you do the math, this is around $150 for 1 hour of work. But if you can't efficiently get this much work out, then you can go for the lower end and still be earning around $30 per hour, which is still amazing. But I will say that when you become a transcriptionist, you do truly want to put and bring your best work forward. So not only does Speechpad.com hire different freelancers, they also hire people from outsourced marketplaces. And this can be a place such as Amazon Mechanical Turk. So if the people on Amazon Mechanical Turk are picking up these tasks and doing them faster than you, then you will have less work to do. And Speechpad.com can actually cut off different applications if they have too many workers. So basically what I'm saying here is being the quicker is being better, because the quicker that you are with transcribing text, then the paycheck that you get will be bigger. So this can be a great opportunity in order to be making a lot of money as a transcriber. So you've got to be quick here and grab these tasks and get them done. Alright, now getting into the next website, which is a website called TranscribeMe.com. And instead of longer videos, TranscribeMe.com will typically provide shorter audio segments. So this can be a very easy and manageable pace to work at, instead of having to sit down and watch this super long video and type out a whole essay. So they start their payments at around $15 to $20 per audio hour, which can mean making around $250 in 1 month. But I did find that if you have a special interest or skill in the medical and legal transcription side of things, you can join a special transcribing team that will only transcribe things within this interest. And with this, you can actually make more money. And this means making around $60 to $70 per audio hour. I've never done this personally, but this is just what their website is claiming. So if you have this special interest, then I would go ahead and do this, as you can be making a lot more money through this website than the other normal transcription websites. And they pay their workers weekly, and they also pay through PayPal as well. And for me, weekly pay is always a win, as keeping track of money is very easy when you are getting a consistent flow of pay very often and frequently. And with this website, you can choose when you want to work and where you want to work and what you want to work on. And also, how much you want to be working. So with this one as well, you are kind of like your own boss, essentially. So you can either be a part-time transcriber or even a full-time transcriber, which could be nice if you just don't necessarily have a lot of time to be doing this and you'd like to be doing this as kind of a side hustle. And compared to Revcom, they accept new applications much quicker, meaning you will hear back from them in about 1 to 2 weeks instead of having to wait a whole month. Another thing with these transcribing jobs is you don't really need to have any particularly special and fancy skills to get started. You can just simply bring what you have to the table and they will pay accordingly. The next website that we're going to go through is a website called gotranscript.com. And compared to the other websites that I've mentioned before, they offer quite a bit more services in the transcribing world, and they are charging a bit more than the other websites that I've mentioned so far, which is always a good thing to see that they are paying their people well. All right, and then on this website, you will also see that there are a ton of different reputable sources, such as the New York Times and Forbes. It is also good to see that the website that you are going to be working for is credible as well. So if you head to their website and you scroll to the bottom of their page, you will see a work section for transcriptionists. So what really grabbed my attention here is how much they are willing to pay you versus the other websites that we have looked at before in this video. For example, they are offering 60 cents per audio or video minute. So with their workers, they are seeing around earning $150 per month, but the top earners can be earning around $1,200 in just 1 month. And they also offer a bunch of different services for different languages, which is nice because they are offering services to hire transcribers from a bunch of different countries around the world. And unlike the other websites I've mentioned before, they don't just pay through PayPal, they can pay you weekly through Payoneer as well as PayPal. And then with this website as well, you get to choose your own tasks and manage your time at your own pace. So again, being our own boss, which is always preferred. Now getting into the next website, which is Fiverr.com. Fiverr is kind of a go-to if you're looking to hire different freelancers, such as hiring video editors for your YouTube channel or somebody to make different thumbnails or to make digital art for you. Fiverr is the kind of go-to place for all of these different skills. So any of these freelancers can showcase a different gig that they have or a skill that they have, such as photo editing or transcribing videos into text. So you can create your own gig as being a transcriber on Fiverr.com. Or as well as transcribing, you can also work on translating. So once you kind of build your profile on Fiverr and you start off with a few good ratings, you can be easily making anywhere from $30 an hour to $50 an hour just through transcribing. And you can also create different gigs for different niches or transcribing videos for music. So you can create your profile for different gigs, and you can even have more than one profile this way and specialize in different niches. And I would suggest if you're fluent in more than one language, this would be a good thing to get into by translating different videos for people, as this is a big skill that not everybody has. So people will ultimately be always looking for somebody to translate their videos. And if you know more than one language, this sets you apart from a different crowd, as you have a different skill level than other people on Fiverr. All right, now getting into the last website I'm going to mention today, which is a website called 3playmedia.com. On 3playmedia.com, they offer a bunch of different services, such as providing subtitles and captions and transcribing videos and putting audio descriptions on videos. So once you get on 3playmedia.com, you will scroll down and you will find a tab that you can click on under jobs. And then here you can click on the tab for freelance transcriptionist jobs, as this job is all about transcribing. So you can apply on their website to become a transcriptionist. And what this entails is taking a 20-minute assessment that will kind of assess your transcribing skills, as well as different editing skills. And this website actually kind of has a quicker hiring process, which is nice if you want to just get started right away. And on this website, people have claimed to be making around $30 an hour to even $50 an hour, which is crazy, all from just doing the work. You could be laying in bed and be doing this work. And the weird thing about this website is that there is actually less work to do, but more money to be made. So on 3Play Media, they are really hiring quality workers so they can be paying these workers a large amount of money, but then also not overwhelming them with work. But through this website, they also charge a premium to those who are hiring different people. So their website isn't always that appealing to different employers. So those are the websites we are going to be going through today. Now, in order to enhance your workflow and the amount of money that you are making, I would suggest applying to a few of these websites at the same time to increase your flow of work for the amount of money that you will be making through transcribing videos. Now, you can be making just around $30 an hour all by just sitting here typing, which is amazing. Who doesn't want to work from their room or their house or their couch or their bed even? And the amount of money that you are going to be making through these jobs always just depends on the amount of effort that you are willing to be putting into this work. Now, the last thing I'm going to say is if you want to learn how to potentially make money on YouTube without actually making videos, you can click on this video right here as it'll go over a few tips on exactly how to do this. See you there.